Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to this English online class. Today we are going to take up question answers of the lesson Princess September. Now, let us work on these question answers and then you will write these question answers in your notebooks. Now, first question. How many daughters did the royal couple have? The answer, the royal couple had 9 daughters. Why were they named after the months of the year? Well, the answer is they were named after the months of the year because the queen could not recall their names easily. Recall means remember their names easily. And so you all can write that in order to make it easy, the king named his daughters after the months of the year, like January, February, March, till he came to the youngest daughter who was named as September. Of course, they were named after the months in Siamese language. So this addition also you can write in your answer. Question 3. The king had a peculiar habit. Peculiar means strange. What was it and why is it called peculiar? Answer. The peculiar habit of the king was to give gifts on his birthday rather than receive them. It was called peculiar because usually people get gifts on their birthdays. Now, question number 4. What was Princess September's reaction to the loss of her parrot? The second part. What was her mother's reaction to it? And the third part. What do the reactions indicate about the nature and temperament of each? Now, first part. Princess September took the loss of her parrot to heart. She wept continuously and she was put to sleep without supper. So she felt very sad and she cried. Now, second part. Her mother said the Princess September's weeping was simply nonsense and she asked the maids to put the child to sleep without supper. Supper is night meal, dinner. Now, part 3. The princes were very simple-hearted and sensitive. That is, Princess September was very simple-hearted, very emotional, very sensitive. She was stricken with grief, means she was full of grief when her parrot died. But the Queen Mother was not moved at all. She was unsympathetic, we can say. And she had nothing to console the child. Now, question number 5. What pulled the princess out of her gloom? Gloom means sadness. The coming of a little songbird into her room comforted Princess September. She was so enchanted that she forgot about her loss. She forgot about the loss of her parrot because the bird sang beautiful song. Now, question number 6. How did the maids of honor come to know that the princess and the bird had become intimate friends? Intimate means very close friends. The maids of honor brought in the princess breakfast. The songbird ate rice out of the prince's hand and then sang sweetly. The maids were surprised to find September was so much happy. They were convinced that the two had become good friends. So the princess was feeding the bird out of her own hand. She was giving rice and she made the bird bathe in her bowl. So that showed that princess and the bird had become good friends. Now, Seventh question. The new bird was full of new song, but the old parrots always repeated themselves. What did they say? Answer. The old parrots only repeated what they had been taught. They could only say, God save the king and Pretty Polly. Now, eighth question. What is the king's opinion about his counselors? Why did he form that opinion? Question answer to this question. The king had a very low opinion about his counselors because, like parrots, they too repeated the same thing differently. Question number 9. The eight princes made an offer to Princess September. What was it? Second part. Why, in your view, did they do it? Question number 1, ninth, first part. They offered their pocket money to Princess September to buy another parrot. So that was the offer. Now, why did they do it? They did it because they felt jealous of the songbird's friendship with Princess September. Question number 10. What did the sisters advise the princess to do about her bird? Answer. The sisters advised the princess to put the little bird into the cage lest it should fly away. Lest means so that if it flies away, they suggested that she should put the bird into the cage. Now, another set of comprehension check questions. In the following sentence, elaborate the parts given in bold. Under the circumstances, it was very unfortunate remark for the bird to make. So you have to elaborate this, explain this. Answer. The circumstance was that the bird hadn't come back because of the party at his father-in-law's house. The princess was naturally worried. Why? Because the remark of the sisters added to her worry. What was the remark of her sisters? That the bird will never return. What did the princess do to ensure the safety of her pet? Part 1. Part 2. How did the bird react to it? Answer. Princess September put the bird into a cage to ensure his safety. And part 2. The bird disliked his imprisonment because the bird was put in the cage, and that is why the bird was imprisoned. He stopped singing. Question number 3. Why did the bird refuse to be taken out in her cage? The bird said he won't be happy and normal if he was taken out in her cage. The rice fields arid the lake looked quite different and dull when seen through the cage bars. The rice field and the lake looked quite different. There's a correction, please. The rice field and the lake looked quite different and dull when seen through the cage bars. Now, question number 4. What persuaded Princess September to give the bird his freedom again? Second part. How did the bird react to it? Question number 1. A fourth part, first part. The princess freed the bird lest he should die in captivity. Captivity was the bird was put in cage. Second part. The princess kept the window open so that the bird might fly in and out, making fresh air charming. Freedom helped the bird to sing and enjoy himself. So the bird liked fresh air and freedom more, and which made the bird's song beautiful. Princess September kept her window open day and night. Question 5. How did it help the bird? How did it help the princess herself? Part 1. The bird opened his wings and flew away. Part 2. It helped the princess herself by providing her fresh wind and natural light. It helped her make her beautiful. So because of lot of fresh air, as her window was open, the princess started looking very beautiful. The 8 sisters kept their windows shut. How did it affect them? The 8 sisters who kept their windows shut all night became extremely ugly and disagreeable. Means their nature also became bad and they were not good looking. They were married to the counselors. And the princess was married to the king of Cambodia because she looked very beautiful. Discuss the following questions in small groups. Write the answers later. Now, question part 1. You can write your own views. Are the sisters unkind or cruel? Find evidence in text to support your idea. Yes, the 8 sisters of the princess were very unkind and cruel. They were jealous too. They advised her to put the bird in the cage, to encage the bird. This suggestion may have killed the bird. If Princess September had caged the bird would have been killed. But Princess did not. First she listened, but later on she decided to free the bird. Which to you is most important idea in the story and why? Importance of music, value of freedom, beauty of nature. In this story, value of freedom is the most important idea because the bird could not sing in cage. When he was put in cage, the bird could not sing and almost died. But when the bird was freed, the bird was happy and sang beautiful songs. So that shows freedom is very important for a person's life. We will stop here. You are going to write down these question answers in your notebooks and revise your lessons. Read the text. If you are not able to understand anything, you can post your queries in the group. Thank you, class. Have a nice day. Take care.